Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn NotebookLM into an interactive website. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a shareable web page that pulls from your curated sources and allows visitors to interact with the content in a clean and engaging way. First, open your browser and go to NotebookLM. Create a new notebook or open an existing one related to your website topic. Your notebook acts as the foundation of the project, since the website will use the sources stored there. Inside the notebook, click Add Sources and search for the content you want to include. This could be articles, research papers, websites, or other topic-related material. Review the results, choose the most relevant sources, and import them into your notebook. Try to keep your sources focused and organized. The quality of your interactive website depends heavily on the quality of the material you include. A clean and well-structured notebook will help Gemini generate a more accurate and useful website later in the process. Next, open Google Gemini in a new browser tab. Once inside Gemini, switch the model from Fast to Pro. The Pro model has a larger context window and stronger coding capabilities, which makes it better suited for building websites and handling longer instructions. Now start a new project by clicking the plus icon, then choose the NotebookLM option. Select the notebook you just prepared and attach it. This connects Gemini directly to your curated sources, so it can reference them while generating the website. After that, open the Tools menu and switch to Canvas mode. Canvas provides a structured workspace where you can view prompts, generated code, and previews side by side, making the workflow much easier to manage. In the prompt area, clearly describe the kind of website you want Gemini to create. Mention the audience, the layout style, and how visitors should interact with the content. You can also request specific sections, such as a hero banner, FAQ area, navigation menu, or citation section. Keep your instructions concise but specific so Gemini understands exactly what to generate. Once your prompt is ready, submit it. Gemini will begin generating the website files, usually including HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, based on both your instructions and the NotebookLM sources. After the code is generated, open the code view and quickly review the structure to make sure everything looks correct. Then switch to preview mode to test the website in action. Check the layout, interactions, and overall flow of the site. If something doesn't look right, go back to Canvas, refine your prompt, and generate an updated version. When you're happy with the result, click Share and copy the generated link. Open it in a new browser tab to experience the website exactly as your visitors would. And that's it. You've successfully turned NotebookLM into an interactive website that you can share, test, and continue improving over time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.